In this video, we will show you how to change pictures on Squarespace website. To change your pictures on Squarespace website, you need to go to your dashboard and go to your website. The pictures on Squarespace website usually contains in two sections. First is for content and the second is for background. So we will practice in here about how to change when in the content and then how to change when the picture is set from background. Okay, we can just click edit for this page. For example, we want to change these pictures, just click manage pause. This is because these pictures as content, not as background, so we can click this. Okay, if you can see here, you can click this section. Okay, then to change this picture, just double click. Okay, double click again until the content is appear look like this, and we can click replace and we can upload the files with newest one. Okay, in this case this picture set as content. Now we need to go to for example, if the picture set as background, it's easier than as content because the step is simpler. Let's go to about and we will show you. This is pictures as background. To edit this, we can just double click. It's very simple. We can click edit section and you can see there is no pictures in here, so you can see on the background tab and click close, and you can click replace and after that you can click save. And that's all tutorial how to change pictures on Squarespace website when the pictures used for background or when the pictures used as post content. Hope this video helpful for you.